My dear children, are you able to watch this PPT?
Yes, sir, we can able to watch the screen.
Yes, okay. Now come to this PPT. See here. Today we are going to discuss mathematics bridge course. Under this course, we are going to discuss divisibility rules. Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Are you able to watch this PPT, my dear children, clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you remember the divisibility rule by 2? Anyone, my dear children? How can you say a number is divisible by 2? When a number is divisible by 2?
If the last number is 4, 6,
Sir, even numbers are
Right?
always divisible by 2.
Yes, very good. The numbers which are having 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place. Any number. See here, tests for divisibility of numbers. These are also called divisibility rules. Okay, my children. See the first rule, divisibility by 10. Do you remember that divisibility by 10? See this rule, my dear children. If a number has 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 10. This is a divisibility rule by 10. Okay, my children, just by concentrating on the units place. If there is a 0 in the given number in units place, in ones place, then the number is divisible by 10. Okay, my children.
Sir, I can't see the next slide, sir.
I will show you. I will show you. I will show you. Now, see this example, my dear children. Are you able to watch this example, my dear
Sir, we
children?
are not able to see the slide.
Huh?
Only first slide is there, sir.
Only first slide. I will show. I will show you. I will check. Now,
We can, sir.
yes, sir.
okay. Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See this example, my dear children. Some numbers with 0 at ones place are 100, 1000, 3200, 7000, 10. If you observe these numbers, in ones place, 0 is there. Yes or no, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
So all such numbers are divisible by 10. These divisibility rules are very useful in cancellation and in finding LCM of a given numbers. Okay, my dear children, please learn these divisibility rules. These points are very useful in finding LCM of the given numbers. Okay, my dear children. So this is about divisibility by 10. Suppose I will give you some number 53. Is this number divisible by 10 or not?
No, sir.
Why it is not divisible by 10?
Sir, because there is no 0.
There is a,
No 0 in one's place.
yeah, very good, very good. There is no 0 in ones place in number 53. That is why that number is not divisible by 3. Yesterday also in the divisions, I asked some students wrote first question. Let us discuss first question. In the first question, some students used only commas. They did not write number names. Okay, Madam, please read the question carefully. Improve that skills, reading skills, comprehension skills, understanding skills. First of all, you have to read the question carefully. Till you understand the question, you should read it again and again and again. Okay, my children.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday, some students wrote for the first question, they used only commas, but they did not write number names. Number names means, do you know, 5 crores, 63 lakhs, 23,000. You have to write that sentence also. That is called number name. Okay, my children. Similarly, in the division, I asked what is divisor, what is quotient, and what is remainder. Most of the students, okay, some students use decimals, but we have not discussed that point. When we are using the word remainder, we should not use a decimal point. Okay, please remember this point. We are not converting that fraction into decimals. I asked in the long division, what is a divisor, what is a dividend, what is a quotient, and what is the remainder. You should not use a decimal point in such case. Understood this point, my children? Understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Please rectify these mistakes. Don't repeat these mistakes in future. Okay, my children? Please read the question carefully and respond accordingly. Okay. Improve these skills. Understood this point, my children? Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Please respond. Don't attend the meeting silently. You have to interact with the teachers. Interact with me. Okay. Either it is right answer or wrong answer. Okay. Either it is a right answer or wrong answer. Just respond to my question. Okay. Now come to the next divisibility rule. Divisibility by 5. See this rule, my dear children. A number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place is divisible by 5. Here also, to check, to test the given number is divisible by 5 or not, we concentrate on ones place. Where should we concentrate in the given number?
Sir,
Tell me,
in the
my
ones,
children.
please.
Very good, very good. In ones place, you should concentrate. If there is a 0 or 5 in ones place in the given number, then the given number is said to be divisible by 5. Okay, my children. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Now let us take some examples. Some numbers that are divisible by 5 are 105, 215, 6205, 3500. All these numbers are having either 0 or 5 in their ones places. Observe this point, my children. In all these numbers, if you concentrate on ones place, Either 0 or 5 are there in these given numbers. Yes or no, my children? Yes or no, my children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we can say that these numbers are divisible by 5. Now I will ask you some numbers. Okay. Trinson, tell me your turn. Trinson. What happened? Audio, your mic. Trinson. Take the number 723. 723. Trinson. Is this number divisible by 10 or not? 723. The audio disturbance, Trinson. Your audio is disturbing. Okay, Krish, can you tell me 723 is divisible by 10 or not? Krish. Krish. 723, this number divisible by 10 or not? Krish.
Sir, please repeat the question.
723.
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, yes.
Sir,
Tell
10.
me.
Sir, we
Not by
can't divide.
10. Is it divisible by
We can't
10?
divide 10, sir.
It is not divisible by 10.
10.
Why, Sudarshan, tell me why this number is not divisible by 10?
Sir,
Yes, Krish, okay. Okay, my dear Krish. Why it is not divisible by 10? 723.
sir, because in 723, 3 is the last number.
What should be there?
Not there.
0 is not there. 0 is not there. That is why that number is not divisible by 10. Okay, my dear children. Now, are you able to see this screen? White
Yes, sir.
A4 sheet. A4 sheet. My
No,
hand.
sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
My hand sketch pen.
No, sir, we can't.
You can't. Okay. Just wait. Just wait. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now, I'm taking some number. What is this number? Shanti? Can you read this number?
36,378, sir.
Very good. 36,378. Is this number divisible by 10? Is this number divisible by 10 or not? Shanti? This number divisible by 10 or not?
Yes, sir.
Is this number
No, sir.
divisible by 10? Shanti, please
Sir,
think and
I
tell
can't
me
hear
the
you.
answer. You can't hear me. My dear children,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me or
Sir, we
not?
can hear you, sir.
Huh? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
we can.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Shanti, what about Shanti? Shanti? Trinson? Tell me this number divisible by 10 or not? Audio disturbance, Trinson? Ayush? Ayush?
Yes, sir.
Tell me this number divisible by 10 or not? Ayush? Is this
No,
number,
sir.
why this number is not divisible by 10? Why this number is not divisible by 10? Ayush? Mahima? Mahima?
Yes,
Mahima?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ayush told this 36,378 is not divisible by 10. Is that answer correct or wrong?
It's correct, sir.
Why it is not divisible by 10?
Because in its one place, it's not having 0.
Very good, Mahima. In this number, in one's place, 0 is not there. That is why, please remember this rule, my dear children, divisibility rule. This number is not divisible by 10 because there is no 0 in one's place. What are the numbers in the other places? We don't care. We never mind. It doesn't matter. But we focus on one's place only. When you are checking the divisibility by 10. Understood this point, my children? Understood? Now, Jaslyn?
Understood, sir.
Jaslyn? 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 Are you there? Jaslyn? Jaslyn? If you are not responding to my question, I will remove the meeting. I will remove you from the meeting. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
if you are not responding to my question, I will remove you from the meeting. Understood, my dear children? When I am asking a particular child, they have to respond. Either it is right or wrong. The answer is right or wrong. It doesn't matter. You should respond to my question. Janesh? 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 Janesh?
Yes, sir.
Is this number divisible by 5 or not?
Yes, sir.
This number divisible by 5? How do you say? This number
No,
is divisible by... Why it is not divisible by 5? Why this number is not divisible by 5?
No, sir.
Tell me why the number is not divisible by 5. Tell me the reason, Janej.
Because one's digit number is in 8.
8 is there. What number should be there? Which number should be there?
Sir, one's digit number is 8, sir.
Yes, okay. If this number is divisible by 5, which number should be there in the units place, in ones place? Which number should be there in ones place?
Sir, the one's digit.
or 5.
0 or 5. Very good, Shanti. 0 or 5. Please remember this rule, my dear
0
children.
and 5.
Either 0 or 5. Both cannot be there. Both cannot exist at a time. Either 0 or 5. In ones place, how many digits can be written? In ones place,
0 and 5, sir.
either 0 or 5. Okay. Right. Now come to the next divisibility rule. Let us discuss next divisibility rule. Okay, my children. See the next divisibility rule. Are you able to see this third point, my children?
Yes, sir.
What is the third point? Tell me. Read that third point.
Divisibility by 2.
Yes, very good. Divisibility by 2. See this rule, my dear children. A number is divisible by
No,
2.
sir.
What? What happened? A number is divisible by 2 if it has any one of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in units place, ones place. Units place or ones place, both denote the same. Don't be confused, my dear children. Okay. Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
In ones place, there should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Any one of these 5 digits. Any one of these 5 digits should be there in ones place in the given number. Then the given number is said to be divisible by 2. Let us take these examples 10, 12, 14, 16 and also some numbers like, read these numbers, my dear children. Read these numbers 2410, 4356. Read the next number.
1550, 1358.
Very good. 1358. And the next number. Next number.
2972.
Next number.
Sir,
Next number.
5974.
If you observe, very good, very good. If you observe all these numbers in ones place, either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are there. So all these numbers are said to be divisible by 2. Okay, my children. You have already learned these divisibility rules just to strengthen our previous knowledge. Okay, we are recalling these points. Now come to the next divisibility rule. What is the next divisibility rule? Are you able to?
Sir, divisibility by 3.
Yes, very good. Divisibility by 3. Let us see this rule, my dear children. If the sum of the digits in A is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. This is the rule for divisibility by 3. To understand this rule, let us take an example. See this number 21. What are the digits in this number 21? Tell me, what are the digits? Digits means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Please remember this point, my children. Digits means single number. Either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now come to this number 21. In this number, what are the digits?
2 and 1, sir.
Very good. 2 and 1. If we add these two digits, what will you get? 2 plus 1. See here in the next
3,
line?
sir.
3. Is this number 3 multiple of 3 or not? Multiple means in the 3 table, will you get this
Yes,
number?
sir.
3 ones are 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you take this number 36, next number is 36. Is this number divisible by 3?
Yes, sir.
How do you
Yes,
say?
sir, it is divisible.
How do
Sir,
you say
3
this
plus
number is
6 is
divisible by
9.
3?
Sir, 3 plus 6 is 9. So in 3
9.
table, 9 is there.
Yes, very good. Similarly, take the next number 54.
Sir, it is also divisible by 3.
Why
Yes,
it is
sir.
divisible by 3?
So 5
Because
plus
5 plus
4 is
4 is
9,
9.
sir.
Yes. 9 is in the 3 table. 3 threes are 9. Okay. Next number is 219. What, my dear grandson? Mute your mic. Now come to this number 219. Is this number divisible by 3 or not?
Yes,
Yes,
Sir,
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 it
it's
is
divisible.
divisible.
How do you say?
So because when you add those numbers, you will get 12, and 12 is in 3 table.
12 is in the 3 table. That is why this 219 is divisible by 3. Divisible means if you divide this number 219 by 3, we get a remainder 0. Okay, my children, please remember this point. Divisible means after performing the long division, finally you get a remainder 0. Not divisible means we are not getting a remainder 0. Okay, my children,
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Now, let us see one example. Now, are you able to see this A4 sheet, my dear children?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No? No? Okay, I will open that A4 sheet. Okay, now A4 sheet.
Sir, now it is visible.
Okay. On this A4 sheet, what is the number?
36,378, sir.
Very good. Is this number divisible by 3 or not? Can you tell me? Anyone? Within 10 seconds. I will give you 10 seconds. Tell me this number 36,378 divisible by
Sir,
3
it is
or not?
divisible, sir.
Yes, sir.
How can you say this number is divisible by 3?
Sir, because when we add these numbers, we will get 27. 27 is divisible by 3, sir.
Very good. Very good. Understood this point, my dear children? Are you following these points?
Yes, sir.
Remaining students, Jesslyn,
Yes,
Mahima,
sir.
Ayush, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Don't sit silently. Don't sit silently. Respond to my question, yes or no. Understood or not understood. Okay, my dear children. So, like this, Mahima, what happened? What, Mahima?
No, sir.
Okay. So, understood this point. If a number is given to you, like this, can you check, can you test that number is divisible by 3 or not? Eileen, Nikita, Krish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay. Now let us go to the next point. Okay. I will show you next slide. I will close this A4 sheet. Again, I will show you next slide, divisibility rule. Are you able to see this slide, my children?
Yes, sir.
Next, come to the next slide. What is the next slide?
Sir, divisibility by 11.
Yes, divisibility by 11. Please memorize these divisibility rules, my dear children, which are very useful in simplifying fractions, and also these are very useful in finding LCM. Okay, LCM of given numbers. Now come to this divisibility by 11. To check the divisibility of a number by 11, the rule is, what is the rule? Find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from the right. From the right, we have to take odd places. And sum of the digits at even places. We have to find these two sums, the digits in odd places and the digits in even places. Okay, my children, we have to find these two sums separately. After finding these two sums, after finding the total, we have to find the difference. If the difference of these two sums is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. To understand this rule, let us take an example. See these numbers: 308, 1331 and 61,809 are divisible by 11. Because here 308. From right side, first take one digit and leave the second digit. After that, third digit, like this. Okay. So 8 plus 3, what you got here? 11. The sum of the digits at odd places, that is 11. And we have left the previously, what is the numbers, what is the digits left here? 0 only. So this is the sum of the digits at odd places, 11. This is the sum of the digits at even places. Then let us find the difference. 11 minus 0. What will you get here? 11 minus 0. Are you watching this slide, my children, or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is
Yes, sir.
11 minus 0?
11.
Yes. So 11 is the resultant number. It is divisible by 11. Okay. Next, see the next number, 1331. 1331. So here also we add the digits in odd places. 1 plus 3, that is 4. And after that we are adding the remaining digits which are left, that is 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. If you find the difference of these two numbers, 4 minus 4, what is the result? 4 minus 4. What will you get?
So 0.
Yes. So we got here 0. In this case also, we say that this number 1331 is divisible by 11. Means if you divide this 1331 by 11 using the long division, we get remainder 0. Understood this point, my children?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, let us take the next number, 61,809. In this number also, let us take the digits by leaving one digit, one after another. So 9 plus 8 plus 6. These are the digits in odd places. By adding these three digits, we get 23. And we add the digits which are left here, 0 plus 1, that is 1. Now 23 minus 1, let us find the difference of these two numbers. What will you get here? 23 minus 1. What will you
So
get?
22.
22. Is this number multiple of 11 or not? In the 11 table,
sir.
will you get
Yes,
22?
sir.
Yes, we get 22 in the 11 table. So this number also 61,809 is also divisible by 11. If you divide this number 61,809 by 11 by using the long division, finally you get a remainder. What will you get the remainder? My dear children, what will you get the remainder? If you divide 61,809, this number, last number, by 11 in the long division, what will you get the remainder?
Sir, 5,619.
I'm asking remainder, not quotient. I'm not asking quotient. Please listen the question carefully, my dear children. That is main point, very, very important. I am asking what is the remainder. What is the remainder?
Sir, can you tell the question once again?
What is the remainder if you divide this last number 61,809 by 11 using the long division, divide this 61,809 by 11. What is the remainder? Tell me the remainder. Remainder is 0. Okay, my children, we get remainder is 0. So we observe that in such each case, the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11. All these numbers are divisible by 11. Okay, my children. Now come to this slide homework. My children,
Yes, sir.
I will post these questions as I posted the notes yesterday in the Google Classroom. Similarly, I will post these questions also in the Google Classroom. Please find this homework and complete the assignment and submit. Okay, my children?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Please go through that notes once again and watch the video again. Not only one time. Okay, my children. again and again. When you are getting free time, when you are having free time, watch the video again and again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please post the PDF which you showed now in the Google Classroom?
Yes. That only I'm telling. That only I'm telling. I will post this PPT in the form of PDF as I posted yesterday.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
Bibina,
sir.
Tushar,
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Nikita,
sir.
Shanti.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Okay,
you,
thank
sir.
you. Okay, Jaslyn, you first and last. That's all. In the middle, you are not talking anything. You are not asking anything. Nikita, Krish,
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
please respond to my question. Okay, Krish,
Okay,
Krish.
sir.
Okay, take rest.